Hi guys, welcome to the channel. PC gaming is a really fun way to de-stress after a long day, connecting with friends online, and appreciate a fast-paced interactive art form. But to get the most out of the experience, you'll need to pick up a few of the best gaming accessories. Yes, you can play games with the mouse and keyboard you use for work, but they're not necessarily designed with ergonomics in mind. So, in today's video, we will be showing some of the must-have accessories for gamers. Without further ado, let's begin. BlueKey World Cable Clips. Tired of all those cables and cords around your computer, cell phone, or in the car? These cable clips will solve your problem. Good for your headphones, chargers, USB cables, power cords, laptop and audio, gaming console, Ethernet, HDMI, TV, musical instruments wires. With certified plastic, this cable organizer will easily make you gain time and money by increasing the life of your cables and freeing you from looking for them. In 7 seconds or less, peel and stick the self-adhesive cable clips for immediate use. High-quality cable drop solution fits large and small cables. BenQ Screen Bar Monitor Light. BenQ Screen Bar Monitor Light enhances immersion and focus, creates a comfortable lighting environment while gaming with lights off, reading, watching videos, office working, etc. Complies with American National Standard Practice of Office Lighting 500 Lux recommendation. The built-in ambient light sensor promptly detects the surrounding brightness and then supplements it with just the right light you need for an eye-healthy workspace. It can also be manually dimmed with a touch control. Adjustable temperatures to provide focus and comfort. Warm lighting for relaxing, cool look for work efficiency. The patented asymmetrical optical design only illuminates the desk and ensures zero reflective glare off the screen. No base, more space. The breakthrough clip design mounts on top of the monitor, saving valuable space on your desk. The weighted clip gently rests on nearly any monitor with thickness of 0.4 inches to 1.2 inches, 1 to 3 centimeters. It works perfectly on monitors with the bezel wider than 0.8 centimeters. Glorious Model D. Model D's honeycomb shell is the key to achieving a feather-light weight while maintaining its ultra-durable strength. You'll barely feel the holes during gameplay, but they provide ventilation to keep your palms cool and fresh. Cleaning the Model D is easy, just use any air canister to keep your mouse good as new. Stock cables suck. Say goodbye to third-party mods and say hello to the Ascended cord. The proprietary braided cable is ultra-flexible and super lightweight, giving your mouse an almost wireless feel. No more shoddy stock mouse feet or buying third-party add-ons. Model D comes included with premium G-skates, 100% pure virgin PTFE, rounded edges that don't snag on the pad of your mouse will glide like blades on ice. Comes in 0.81 mm thickness for maximum lifespan. Whether you like it big or small, the choice is yours. The Model D comes pre-installed with 4 premium G-skates. For those who prefer a larger mouse skate for maximum glide, they are including additional large G skates with your Model D purchase. Don't let competitors fool you with the inflated stats on low-quality switches. Model D comes with state-of-the-art Omron switches with the highest durability rating and quality control standards. The Model D will outlive other inferior gaming mice. If you are enjoying the video, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos just like this. Luminoodle Backlight. Are you ready to turn your TV into a real home theater? This baby adds a nice pop of ambient light around your TV or monitor screen to drastically improve your viewing experience. You'll see darker blacks, improved color contrast, and give your eyes a much-deserved relief during your next 6-hour TV binge. The Luminoodle TV doesn't just provide beautiful ambient lighting behind your screen, it also enhances your viewing experience so much that you'll wonder what you did without it. Diminish the eye strain that you and your family experience while watching your favorite shows with a solution that will make your entire living room look so sweet. The Luminoodle TV backlight improves contrast ratios through a balanced white backlight. Watching TV in a dark environment affects the way our eyes react to light, and black looks more gray. Turning on lamps in the room, however, results in glare on the TV screen. Illuminating your TV's background improves contrast levels by preventing grays and blacks on your screen from becoming washed out, and improves the image on your screen without the need for light sources that cause a pesky glare. GPBT Keycaps. Gorgeous cherry profile keycaps made from super durable PBT plastic. Designed for maximum readability and available in a variety of vibrant colorways to complement any battle station. Just like any art you display in your home, keycaps are a means of self-expression and a reflection of personal style. They designed GPBT with the discerning enthusiast in mind, focusing on eye-catching authentics and optimum functionality. Featuring satisfyingly crisp DYE sublimation legends in a proprietary font created for enhanced readability and a flair of sophistication. High-quality PBT plastic construction offers a subtle texture and superior sound, whether you're typing or gaming. These vibrant colors won't fade over time. Cablecard. Cablecard is a revolutionary design that integrates all the essentials and most frequently used cables connectors, a near 1-foot-long Type-C base cable with 3 types of adapters which makes up 6 different types of cables. You'd imagine something that contains the function of having 6 types of cables and wireless charging to be quite heavy and definitely bulky. Well, that would defeat the purpose of being portable and accessible whenever you are, wouldn't it? But what about that phone you brought that supports wireless charging? Cablecard is designed with a wireless charger. When Cablecard is plugged into a power source, it acts like a wireless charger for your device. With or without wire, it's all up to you. The great thing about having cables and essentials to be designed as a card dimension is that it's just so neat. Everyone has to dig around their bags looking for the right cable among other cables and objects lying around in the depth of the bag, but not you. With Cablecard, you don't even have to think about which type of cable to bring. Just slide the card out of your wallet or pocket, whenever and wherever you need. When you're traveling overseas, you'd buy a local SIM card so that you wouldn't receive an outrageous phone bill afterwards. Cablecard includes a SIM ejector pin and 2 nano SIM card storage. It looks simple, but makes a significant difference when the occasion arises. When there is no internet, no email access, how do you transfer a file to someone? Thumb drive works. That's all, guys. Let me know down in the comments section below which one looks the best one. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.